600. Away they go. Sir Barbaro dreaming again. Sharp Cookie, small star from the outside. And running in the middle, nose west. Strong Boy is racing 6 by the rail. Is Little Living for Love. And moving up down on the inside, New Chapter, Renzi stays. Number 4, this one, Sea Star. As they round the 3/4 mile distance, Sir Barbaro, followed by Dreaming Again, nose west in the middle, Sharp Cookie alongside. A Strong Boy is racing fifth by Hapaland, down on the inside, New Chapter, Living for Love, moving up now to take fifth. Sir Barbaro by Sam Tulangs, followed by Nose West, Dreaming Again, Strong Boy from the outside, Sharp Cookie, Living for Love is racing 6 by the round together with New Chapter. Passing the half-mile pole, Sir Barbaro. And rushing up now is Strong Boy. Sir Barbaro, Strong Boy. Dreaming Again, Nose West. Living for Love, sneaking down on the inside. Rounding the far turn, Strong Boy by ahead, Sir Barbaro. Living for Love, down on the inside. Dreaming Again, Nose West. Sharp Cookie, New Chapter. As they race the final corner, Strong Boy, Sir Barbaro, Living for Love, down on the inside. Last 300, Strong Boy, Sir Barbaro in the middle. Living for Love, down on the inside. Last 250, Strong Boy, Sir Barbaro, firing it up for the lead. Living for Love, down on the inside. Strong Boy, Sir Barbaro, once again by the rail. Sir Barbaro, Strong Boy, Sir Barbaro. And final is going to be Sir Barbaro, Strong Boy, Living for Love, Room Night, Close, Nose West, Sharp Cookie for your Super 6.